Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I told you guys we have the S22 right here, and no, it's not the Ultra. It's the best Plus series phone out there from Samsung, so I can't wait to see it. It's the most refined, and it's just a middle ground that you may want to check out. And this is just the unboxing, so let's get into it. Alright, so here's the box, S22 Plus. I already cut the tape, so we won't need to do that. Here we have the phone face up, ready to see us. And as you can see, here we have the device itself. It has a little bit of a plastic covering on the back and on the front. And those are the triple camera lens, the primary, the ultra wide, and the telephoto lens, all of them on board. And as you can see, we have a little bit of a flatter side on here. So it's kind of interesting that we have flatter sides when Samsung normally gives us more curved sides, but these ones feel a lot more flat. They're not entirely flat like the iPhone 13s, but they are really flat for Samsung phones. Let me just tell you that. But it's a nice feeling. I do like it. For those into ASMR, I'll put it up close to the camera. Alright, so here's the phone in its full glory. Oh, I love this. Okay, definitely that black. It's beautiful, so soft. And then the flatter sides really do give this a more premium vibe. I don't know why, but it's just a lot nicer to hold for some reason. As you can see here, we have the SIM card, USB-C, and our speaker. On the right side, we have our power button and our volume rocker. Here's a 5G antenna if you can see it. On the top we have a microphone, and on the left side there is nothing. Alright, so out of the box, this feels super premium. I love the design. I love the weight of this phone. It feels light, but with enough weight to make it feel premium. And I love this camera setup. I love how it looks like it blends in with the frame. It's not as fluid as last year, but it still looks very nice to me. The matte black, the phantom black, looks so clean. It looks so nice, and it's really soft to the touch, which I really enjoy. Gorilla Glass Victus 7 on the front and on the back. It's such a premium vibe. It's so wonderfully made. It feels like you paid $1,000 for this phone. All right, let's power this on. We have Samsung Galaxy. While that's booting up, let's see what else we have in the box. Obviously no charger, very skinny box. Here we have a pamphlet, which we open from the bottom. We have a USB-C to USB-C charging cable for that 45 watt fast charging, because they brought the 45 watts to the S22 Plus, but not the S22. Quick start guide, and our SIM card. And that's basically it. Nothing else inside the box. And one more thing, I got something from Samsung as a little bit of a gift, but I'm not really going to use it, so I figured might as well give it to the first one who watches this video, or whoever gets the code first. But here is 30% off anything that I guess you're going to purchase. Here's a little gift for you guys. There you go. Now, before I actually set this phone up, I want to put on this. It's a tempered glass screen protector from Spigen, as you can see. So high quality stuff. You'll get to see me do it live right now in a hyperlapse. Alright, as you can see, we have it fully installed, and it came out real nice. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to set it up. I'm going to play with it for a couple days, see how I feel about it. And then we're going to drop this case in about 2 or 3 days. So stay tuned for this one. By Spigen as well. They're tough armor, so stay tuned for that. And we will make our first impressions video about next week, middle of next week. So stay tuned for that as well. That was it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing this beautiful phone. And in the next video, I'll explain why I bought this phone and not the S21 Ultra. Until then, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.